Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to cook this ginger scallion fish fillet. First, we need to marinate the fish with cornstarch, oil, and some salt. And we need ginger, onion, scallion, garlic, and dried chili. And seasonings are oyster sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, and black pepper. When the oil is hot, stir fry the ginger. Then add onion and garlic and stir fry till fragrant. Then add the fish fillet. Let it set for a while before stirring it. Then stir it gently to make sure it's cooked evenly on both sides. Then cover and simmer it for 5 minutes. And while it's simmering, combine 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. After 5 minutes, let's check the fish. Smells good. Now let's pour the seasoning. Drizzle it around. Yummy! Then garnish it with scallion, dried chili, and sesame oil. Wow, looks yummy! Let's serve dinner!